Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to solve question number 20. So we will do it by adjoint method, question number 20 of matrices. In the previous video, इसके पहले की वीडियो में हमने adjoint method explain किया है. We did many questions on adjoint method. So इस वीडियो में हम question number 20 we will start. See here what is given, x into a is equal to b. This equation is given. ये equation में अभी इसको आप x find करना. We will find what? X, matrix x. So here a is post multiplied. So what we do? We find इसका inverse find करेंगे, a inverse. So a inverse find करके वो multiply करेंगे, post multiply. So this equation we are having x into a is equal to b. ये equation है हमारे पास. So if we multiply by post multiplying by a inverse, so what we will get? X into a inverse that is equal to b, and by associative law a into a inverse that will give us identity matrix. और finally आएगा x is equal to, यहाँ पे भी a inverse multiply करना है, so that is b into a inverse. So to get matrix x, we first find a inverse and we multiply post multiply, so that is b into a inverse. आपको x मिलेगा. So let us do that. First of all we find determinant of a. इसका determinant find करेंगे. Determinant of a, that is 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 4, then minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, which gives us minus 6. So clearly it is not equal to 0, that means a inverse exists. A inverse exists. So we find all minus and cofactors. Here we find all minus and cofactors. So a11, that is equal to n11, and it is nothing but this minus 4. Okay, minus 4. फिर इसके बाद a12 is equal to minus of m12, which is first row और second column छोड़ना है. So what are the elements? Remaining elements are 0, 1. First row और second column छोड़ना है. 3, 1. Expansion of this is 0 minus 3, that is minus of minus 20 plus 3. Then a13 is equal to n13, and it is value of the determinant. First row और third column छोड़ना है. So 0, 1, 2, 2. इसका expansion आएगा minus 2. फिर a21 is equal to minus of n21, which is minus of the determinant of first second column और second row और first column छोड़ना है. Second row और first column छोड़ेंगे तो 0, 1 आएगा. Second row और first column छोड़ना है, और यहाँ पे 2, 1. So it will be 0 minus 2 and that will be plus 2. a22 is equal to n22. Directly I will write here. यहाँ पे 1 minus 1 it gives us 0. फिर a23 we will find what? a23. So a23 is what? Here a23 is equal to सेकेंड रो और थर्ड कॉलम छोड़ना है. 1, 0, 1, 2. इसका एक्सपेंशन माइनस ऑफ m23. सेकेंड रो और थर्ड कॉलम छोड़ना है. 10 और 12, इसका एक्सपेंशन 2 और -2, then A31 that is equal to N31, थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, जोड़ेंगे 0 1 और 2 3 आएगा, इसका एक्सपेंशन आएगा -2 which is -2, फिर A32 is equal to minus of N32 which is थर्ड रो और सेकेंड कॉलम छोड़ना है, थर्ड रो और सेकेंड कॉलम छोड़ेंगे तो 3 -0 और उसका -8, then A33 is equal to N33 which is value of this determinant, थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम छोड़ेंगे 1 0 और 0 2, इसका एक्सपेंशन है 2, that is 2. So thus we are getting इसमें सारे कोफैक्टर्स मिले आपको. देन व्हाट इज द एडजॉइंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स? एडजॉइंट ऑफ E that is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors, transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So A11 is -4, A12 is 3, A13 is -2, then A21 is 2, A22 is 0, A23 is -2, A31 is -2, then A32 is -3, A33 is what? 2. After finding this, we find transpose of this matrix. So what will be transpose of this matrix? Now transpose of this matrix is by interchanging all rows and columns. So we are getting adjoint of A that is equal to, we find transpose of this means we interchange all rows and columns. So we are getting -4, 3, -2, 2 0 -2, -2 -3, 2. This is what first row become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. This is what adjoint of a matrix. Now inverse of a matrix is what? See here, inverse of a matrix is what? We have now inverse of matrix. A inverse is equal to, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is 1 by -6. -6 is the determinant. -4, 2, -2, and 3 0 -3, -2 -2, 2. This is inverse of a matrix. फिर इसके बाद हमको फाइंड करना है X मैट्रिक्स. X matrix is given by B into A inverse. ये 1/6 -1/6 आप बाहर लिख सकते हैं. फिर इसके बाद आएगा मैट्रिक्स B. मैट्रिक्स B. So our matrix B is what? First row 1 2 3. First row is 1 2 3. 1 2 3. First row is 1 2 3. Second row is, what is the second row? 1 1 5 and 2 4 7. 1 1 5 and 2 4 7. is your matrix P. 1, 1, 5 and 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3. After that, we write inverse of matrix A. So what is that? Here minus 4, 2, minus 2, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, 2. This is minus 3. Now simply we multiply this. So you will get matrix X. So what will be multiplication of this? Multiplying first row with first column, second row with first row with second column, first row with third column. So minus 1 upon 6 as it is. First row into first column, minus 4 plus 6 and minus 6. Here minus 4 plus 6 and minus 6. So we are getting here minus 4. Then first row into second column, that is 2, 0 and minus 6. So again minus 4 you will get. First row into second column, 2, 0 and minus 6. First row into third column. First row into third column, minus 2 plus minus 6, minus 8 and plus 6. So it gives minus 2, minus 6 and plus 6. So it is minus 2. Then second row into first column, minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. And minus 10. It's minus 11. Here is your second row into second column, plus 2 and minus 10, minus 8. Second row into third column, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and plus 10, that is 5. Second row, third row into first column, minus 8 plus 12, minus 8 plus 12, that is 4 and minus 14, it's minus 10. Third row into second column, that is 4 or minus 14, minus 10. Then third row into third column, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 4, minus 6 and plus 14. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 12, minus 16 and plus 14. So it is minus 2. Therefore, our matrix X is equal to, X is equal to what? 1 upon 6 into, this negative sign will write here, 4, 4, 2 and 11, 8 minus 5, 10, 10, 2. This is our matrix X. Now we continue with the next example. The next example is here A and B, these two matrices are given. So we find what AB and AB inverse and verify B AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So actually it is a property. We will verify this property by taking this example. So first of all ये AB multiplication हमको find करना है. A into B multiplication, that is equal to, first we write multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is 1 2 और फिर इसके बाद B लिखना है 1 0 3 1. This is first row into column, that is 2 plus 9 11. First row into second column 0 plus 3. Then second row into first column 1 plus 6. Second row into second column 0 plus 2. ये होगा AB matrix. Then we find what its inverse. So determinant of AB is equal to what? It is 22 minus 21, which is 1. Then adjoint of AB is equal to, adjoint of AB is equal to, obtained by interchanging the diagonal elements, that is 2 11, and changing the sign of non-diagonal elements. So we will get this adjoint. Therefore A inverse, AB inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of AB, which is 1, into adjoint of this 2 minus 3 minus 7 and 11. So what is AB inverse? So our AB inverse, that is equal to, clearly 1 upon determinant of AB will be 1 and same as it is 2 minus 3 minus 7 or 11. So we can denote it by 1. This is our AB inverse, LHS. Now we find B inverse and A inverse. So B inverse will be what? What is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So adjoint of A, it is equal to, obtained by interchanging diagonal elements. So there will be no change if you interchange the diagonal element. Simply change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Therefore, as a determinant of A is 1, so A inverse B, it will be equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 or 2. This is A inverse. फिर इसके बाद B inverse हमको फाइंड करना है. So for that we find what? Determinant of B. What is determinant of B? So 1 minus 0. Again determinant of B is 1. Here adjoint of B is equal to what? Adjoint of B is equal to, interchange diagonal elements. There will be no change if you interchange. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Here B inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A 1 होगा और adjoint of B. So it is equal to 1 0 minus 3 or 1. This is B inverse. Now we find B inverse into A inverse. So we find what? B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse will give us, what is our B inverse? 1 0 minus 3 1 into A inverse. So what is that A inverse? 2 minus 3 minus 1 or 2. What will be the multiplication? Multiplication first row into column, that is 2. First row into second column minus 3. Second row into column minus 6 or minus 1 minus 7. And second row into second column 9 plus 11. B inverse into A inverse. So you can see this is what equation 2. Equation 1 और equation 2 में आप देख सकते हैं. So we are getting same matrix. Therefore we have verified this property. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is a property we have verified. Next question is, we do now next question. Here question is what? 10th question. According to that 10th question, A is given matrix. So that A inverse is equal to 1 upon 6 into A minus phi R. So now let's start question number 10. So question number 10 में आपको A inverse find करना है. So first of all we will find what? A inverse. Then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into first of all we will find determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? It is 4 minus 10 minus 6. Expansion of the determinant 4 minus 10 minus 6. फिर इसके बाद adjoint of A as it is 2 by 2 matrix. So adjoint of A we can find by interchanging diagonal elements 1, 4. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. फिर इसके बाद A inverse, that is equal to what? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is 1 upon minus 6. Adjoint of A is equal to what? 1 minus 5 minus 2, 4. This is your first side 1. Then you can take this minus sign यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. ये प्लस होगा और ये माइनस, ये प्लस और ये माइनस. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. फिर इसके बाद A minus phi I we will find here. A minus phi I is equal to what? Our matrix A as it is we will write, that is 4 5 2 1 minus 5 times identity matrix 1 0 0 1 identity matrix. So 4 minus 5 it will give us minus 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 will be 2. It is 2. Then 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So thus you are getting A minus phi R, that matrix is equal to what? It is minus 1, 2, minus 1 here, 2. A matrix is this, here it is phi. Now A minus phi I, it is 4 minus phi, that gives us 4. That gives us 4. So it is 4 minus 5, that gives us minus 1. 5 minus 0 it is, so it is 5. Here 2 minus 0 it is 2, and this 1 minus 5, So that gives us minus 4. This is A minus phi I. Therefore, A minus phi I 1 upon 6. See here, 1 upon 6 into A minus phi I. A minus phi I. It is equal to 1 upon 6 into minus 1 plus 5, 2 and minus 4. Equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say here A inverse is equal to, therefore we have shown here A inverse is equal to 1 upon 6 A minus phi I. So here we did question number 9 and 10, question number 9 and 10 and question number 20, so which is based on adjoint of a matrix. So we continue column transformation and row transformation, inverse of matrix by column transformation and row transformation in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.